Hi boys and girls. I'm so excited to get the chance to read to you because that's one of my most favorite things to do. So thank you, Sage, for letting me read to the kids. This is one of my favorite books. When I was in elementary school, this was my very favorite story. It is called Bugly Bear's Hiccup Cure. Okay. Bugly Bear woke up from his winter nap with a start. Hic! He had the hiccups. He had a very bad case, hic, of the hiccups. Hic! Hiccups, said his friend Forrest. I know lots of cures. Hic, said Bugly. Hold your breath while I count to 100, said Forrest. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But Forrest wasn't very good at counting over 10. 14, 20, 37, he went on. 33, 62, 42, 89, 90, 56, 100. Hic, said Bugly. Hang upside down and drink a bucket of honey, suggested Forrest. Hic, gurgle, hic, said Bugly. Tickle, 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 said Forrest. Hee hee hee, hic, hee hee, hic, laughed Bugly. Eat 3 loaves of moose moss bread, said Forrest. Look how big he's getting. Hic! Maybe if I sit on your stomach, said Forrest. Hic! said Bugly. If you just forget about your hiccups, they'll go away. A little song and dance will get your mind off of them, said Forrest. Forrest's song began. Oh, do the mushy mashy, eat potatoes, squishy squashy. Lunchtime will be soon, underneath the moon. Forrest danced wildly through 27 more verses, but it didn't work. Hic, said Bugly. Hypnosis, said Forrest. Your eyelids are growing heavy. You are in my power. You are a chicken. Cluck, said Bugly. You are a chicken without hiccups, said Forrest. Cluck hic, said Bugly. I will not give up, said Forrest. I will scare them out of you. What would scare a bear? Boo, said Forrest. Hic! I hate this, said Bugly. Yazzy yazza. Forrest tried his monster costume next. Wait a minute, Bugly said. I think they're gone. Hic! Rats, he said. If this doesn't work, nothing will, said Forrest. Swim back and forth across the river 20 times. Hic, said Bugly, tiredly. Just then, Forrest slipped on a wet rock and fell into the water. Help, help, he yelled. I can't swim. The current swept him toward Headache Falls. Bugley jumped into the water after Forrest and swam out toward him. Forrest was almost at the edge of the falls. Bugley grabbed him by the horns just in time. He dragged Forrest back to shore. Thanks, gasped Forrest. Suddenly, Bugley sat up. My hiccups are gone, he said. They are really gone. Forrest smiled weakly. Hic, said Forrest.